Now for today's top story. Specialty fastener manufacturer Big Bolt LLC recently acquired Delta Secondary LLC, a manufacturer of fasteners and provider of secondary services. Delta provides fast-turn manufacturing and key secondary services such as cutting, chamfering, drilling, tapping, turning, milling, slotting, grooving, and thread cutting. Big Bolt is investing in Delta Secondary's operations to create capacity to handle future growth. In addition, the Delta Secondary team brings significant fastener manufacturing experience and capabilities, which enables both organizations to optimize operations, resulting in additional speed to service the industry. Tom Moore, Chief Executive Officer of Big Bolt, said, quote, Delta is a great fit, commercially, operationally, and culturally, and a valuable extension of Big Bolt's existing operation. This acquisition allows us to expand our manufacturing capabilities in a strategic area to better meet customer demand. The Delta team and its base of operations remain in place in Bensenville, Illinois.